Hi guys, Namaste. This is Maya from Inspired Life and I would like to welcome you to the Breathe and Flow Challenge. So I'm going to share more about the practices we're going to do in the next 3 weeks and I'm excited to have you join us. It's totally free. All you have to do is subscribe and share your insights and of course dedicate your time to doing this. Now our practice is going to be divided into 3 parts. In the first week, we're going to do the first stage of one of my favorite breathing techniques, nadi shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. In week 2, we're going to elevate our practice just a little bit. And in the third week, of course, we're going to up our game just a little bit more because I would like you to have a little taste of what it feels like to do this practice and develop it over time. I personally love breathwork because it works amazingly, it's totally free, and you really feel the results. The reason why I wanted to do a challenge is because I have personally found this to be very beneficial when I did my yoga teacher training. We did a lot of these challenges, cycles of 30-40 days of doing one particular practice. Now you will feel the results even after just one day, I'm sure. It's just the way it works. But when you do a practice over several weeks regularly, then you really feel what this practice does for you. And nadi shodhana or alternate nostril breathing basically balances your whole system. In short, it reduces tension, anxiety, stress, and invites more peace, calm, and serenity, and it helps you feel just centered and grounded in every way. It's a very gentle technique, so anyone can do it. We're alternating nostrils to manage the prana or chi, our life force, and direct it into the 2 main energy channels, Ida and Pingala. Now, Ida is connected with the left nostril that also relates to female energy, lunar, calming, soothing, cooling energy. And the right nostril, Pingala, relates to male, solar, warming, active energy. It is quite normal to have one or the other in this balance, so you might notice maybe one nostril is blocked and the other isn't, or maybe you feel a little bit more active, maybe your male energy is a little bit more boosted and you need to bring it down to stay in balance. So we need both, and this technique helps us balance everything. I explain more about this technique in a workbook that is in my free course at the Conscious Creators Academy, Meditation for Beginners, that you can check out. All you have to do is sign up for this course and you can get the workbook. I will link it below so you can check it out. I would love to hear from you if you have any experience with breath work and if you have done this technique before. So if you're ready, we're gonna get started with our first video. This is a guided practice that I invite you to do every day for the first week of our challenge, and it's gonna take around 5 to 10 minutes tops. So ready to get started? Give me a thumbs up. All right, let's do this. See you in video number 1.